I'll get this. You do the drilling, okay? Put them in there. There you go. Keep going. Okay. Get the next one. Squeeze it. Keep squeezing. Almost. A little more. Okay. Got it. Do the last one. Squeeze. Just a little more. Keep going. Yeah, that's in there.
Ben, are you working? Are you working? Are you drilling?
You want to hammer some nails?
Can you hammer? Tap, tap, tap.
Can you hammer? Can you use this one? There you go.
Tap, tap, tap.
Here, let me show you. Do it like this. There you go. Keep pounding. There you go.
Yay!
You got it, man. Oh. Go ahead. Push it. Squeeze it. You're backing them out. Keep going. Okay, let's do this one. Uh-oh. Do it. Come on. There you go. Squeeze it. Squeeze. It's hard for you to squeeze that. You gotta use both hands.
That mouth hanging open.
See that crack hanging out? Do this one. Oh, that one. You got that one good.
Got it. All better.
Cool, man. You ready to build something now. Let's get that out the rest of the way. Dave, happy with that.
Benny, were you drilling?
Your dad get started? Here, Dad get started for you. Uh-oh. Righty tighty. You want to drill them?
Yay!
You want to drill them? Lefty loosey.